Children, good morning. This is CK Mandal. Today we will start Maths Ladder. It's a practice book for mental maths. It's your class, class 4. Students, in this book's practice sheet have given there related chapter 1. So just we have to complete this one. It's very easy. You can do it in your own. Okay. So do with your pencil. Now let's start. Practice sheet chapter 1, large number. Here write the number's name for the following number. Here you can see here 6948. I have written in words here. You can see here. Now 7462. Here I have written here in words. Okay, 8153, 8153. I have written here. 2074. You can see here I have written here. Now next, write the numbers for the following numbers name. Here numbers are written in words. Just we have to write in numbers. Here I have written here. You can see here 4201. I have written here in number. Okay. Here 3150. I have written here 3150. 5612. I have written here. You can see. Next, write the predecessor and the successor of the given numbers. Here you can see the number 6290 is given there. Predecessor means just before the number and successor means just after the number. I have written here before the number and after the number. Here you can see there before the number and just after the number. Here just before the number and just after the number. Here just before the number, just after the number. Now next, arrange the following number in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to larger. Here numbers have given there. Just we have to arrange this one smaller to larger. First we will see the smallest number in this group. First we will write that number only. Then we will arrange it smaller to larger. Next, this way you can arrange all these. Okay, I hope you will do it in your own. You can do it. Now we will move to next page, and here written here, arrange the following numbers in the given place value charts. Here place value charts have given there. Just you have to arrange these numbers in this place value chart. Okay, so I have written here. Next, write the numbers name for the following numbers. Here numbers have given there. Just we have to write in words these ones. That means numbers name. Next, write the numbers for the following numbers name. Here numbers names have given there. We have just write numbers only. So you can do it in your own. It's very easy. You can do it in your own. Next, identify the odd and the even number and write them on the blanks. Here odd number and even number have given there, mixed there. Here you can see here. Just you have to write the odd number and the even number in the places. Here you can see there odd numbers and even numbers. Next, write the place value of the underlined digits. Here you can see there. Here 9 is on 1000 place. You can see here 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000. So I have written here 9000. Here 4 is on 10,000 place. You can see here. So I have written here 40,000. This way you can do it in your own all these. Next, form the greatest and the smallest number using the given digits. Use all digits and repetition is not allowed. Here numbers have given there. Just we have to write greatest and the smallest number. I have written here greatest and smallest number here. From this number I have written here greatest and smallest number. This way you can write greatest and smallest number. You can write here greatest and smallest. Here you can see here greatest number and smallest number. Now we will move next page. Write the successor of the following numbers. Here successor means just after the number. I have written here. You can see here I have written here successor of the number. Here successor of the number. Next, write the predecessor of the following number. Predecessor means just before the number. You can see here the number before the number here. So we will write here just before the number. You can see here I have written here. Just you can write it in your own. Now count forward and write the next three numbers. Here just we have to count forward next three number. Here we will write here. I have written here. You can see here. Next, count backward and write previous three numbers. Just I have written here. You can write in your own. It's very easy. Previous number just before the number. Okay. So I hope you can do it in your own. Now let's move next page. Now compare the given number using greater than and smaller than. If we compare these two numbers, we will find that this number is smaller than that number. Okay, so you can do it in your own. Once again, you have to arrange here the following number in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to a larger number. I have written here, you can see here the number is given, yeah, smaller to larger. Now this number and this one you can do it in your own. Next, arrange the following number in descending order. Descending order means a larger to smaller. Yeah, you can see here I have written here, I have arranged all these numbers following number in descending order. Now we'll move next page. Look at the abacus and write the numbers on by it. Also write the numbers name. I have not written here numbers name because insufficient place. I have written here the numbers only. We will count the bits and write the numbers here. 1 2 3 4 4 bits here. I have written 4. Here is 6 bits, so I have written here 6. Here is no bits, so I have written here 0. Here 5, I have written a 5. Here 2, I have written here 3. I have written here 3. This way you can do it in your own. Here write the numerals for the given numbers name and represent them on the abacus. Here 4,91,610. Yeah, numbers have written here and here abacus. Okay, you can see here, and you have to do the same. You have to draw the bits here. Now let's move next page. Count by tens and write the next 3 numbers. Here you can see here tens place. We will count the tens place only and we will write here next 3 number. I have written here, you can see here. Next, count by 100 and write the next 3 number. We will count the 100 place here, you can see there, and changing the 100 place we will write next 3 number. You can see there. Now count by 1000 and write next 3 numbers. Here I have done here, you can see here. Count by 10,000 and write the next 3 number. 10,000 place I will change here. I have written here, you can see here. Here count by lakh and write the next 3 numbers. I have written here just lakh places. Here you can see here next 3 number I have written here. You can do it in your own. So we will move next page. Next page I have given there. It's very easy. You can do it in your own. Look at the given numbers carefully and fill in the blanks. Here 6 7 1 4 5 9. Here the digit in the lakh place is 6. Here you can see here lakh place is 6 is given there, and the digit in the 100 place 4. Here the digit in the 10,000 place is 7. Here you can see here. This way you can complete it. Form numbers using the given clues. Write them in the boxes. Here just I have done here. You can write, you have to write these numbers in the boxes. Okay, write any phone number between 2000 and 2 lakh. Here I have written here. This way you have to just write this one between this number. Here I have written here. Okay, write the Roman numeral for the following Hindu Arabic number. You can see here I have changed into Roman numerals. You can see here you have to do the same. Next, write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following Roman numeral. Here I have changed here in Hindu Arabic numerals. Here you can see here. You can do it in on. Now next, compare the following and using greater than, smaller than or equal sign. Here it's very easy. You can do it in your own because I have already explained in your previous chapter. Okay, arrange the following number Roman numeral in descending order. Here you can arrange it in your own. Here you can see here I have already done here. Write the predecessor and the successor of the given in the Roman numeral. Here Roman numeral have given there. Just you have to write before the number and after the number. Before the number and after the number. Before and after. Before the number and after the number. This way you can complete. This is the last page of chapter 1. You can do it in your own. Here fill in the blanks and color those bricks. Yeah, you can write it in your own. I have already explained all this in your previous classes. Once again telling you, it's a practice paper, you have to do in your own. I have just shown you how to do. Okay, thank you student.